In this lesson, I'm going to teach you a level 5 arrangement of Beethoven's Rage Over a Lost Penny. Let's go to the piano. So we are going to learn the first part of Rage Over Lost Penny. You take your right hand and place it on B, D, D, G, G, B, or that's your one finger, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5. It sounds like this. One more time with your 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5. Now you try it. Very nice. Now we'll do our left hand for the first two measures. You place your left hand on your 5, 3, 1, that's your G, B, and D, and it repeats it 8 times. I'll do that one more time. You're on your G, B, and D. Good, now you try it. Very nice. Now here it is together. Try it. Good. Now for the next two measures, you're going to take your right hand, put it on the D, your 5 finger on the D, and you'll play D, C, D, C, A, or that is your 5, 4, 5, 4, 2. I'm going to play it once more. Now you try it. Great job. Now for your left hand, you're going to put it in the same place that you did last time, but now you're going to play your G, C, and D, or that's your 5, 2, and 1. We play it 8 times. Going to do that one more time. Now you try. Great. Now we're going to put both hands together. So my right hand 5 finger goes up on D. My left hand is here with the pinky on G, C, and D, and I play them together. It sounds like this. Now you try it. Great job. Now we're going to go on to measure 5 and 6. We put our thumb back on B, D, G, and high B. That's your 1, 2, 4, and 5 finger. And we'll play again. That looks like this. You try it. Wonderful. Now for the left hand, it is still in the same position. It's on G, B, and D, which is your 5, 3, and 1 fingers. You're going to play that chord 8 times. One more time. It sounds like this. Now you try. Great job. Now both hands together. We have our left hand on G, B, and D. Right hand thumb is on B. Now you try. Very nice. On to the next two measures. The right hand moves up again like it did before to put your 5 finger on D. And we play D, C, D, C, A, B, G. And that's my 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1. I'm going to play it once more. Now you try. Good job. Now for the left hand, goes up, it puts its pinky on G as it did before, and you're going to play your G, C, and D, which is your 5, 2, and 1. We're going to play that 4 times. And then we will change to G, B, and D. And then you'll move your left hand down to a low G. I'm going to do that once more slowly. We start with our 5, 2, and 1. We play it 4 times, and then we switch to our 5, 3, and 1 before we move down the octave to the low G. Here it is one more time. You try. Great job. Here's both hands together. I have my right hand pinky on D, I have my left hand on G. You try. Great job. Moving on to measure 9, you're going to put your right hand pinky on B, and you'll play B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Then we pick up our finger, play that B again, and the high E. So let's look at that with finger numbers. You'll have your 5, 4, 3, 2 on the black key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch fingers to the 2 and 5. I'm going to do that again. You try. Great job. Now here's your left hand. It is now in a different position than before. You move it so that the pinky is on E. The 3 finger here is on G, and your thumb is on B. We will play this chord 8 times. I'm going to show you that one more time. You'll have your pinky here, your 5 finger on E, middle finger 3 on G, and 1 finger on B. Now you try. Very nice. Let's put both hands together. Here it is with both hands together. You have your right hand 5 finger on B, left hand 5 on E. Now you try. Great job. Moving on to the next 2 measures, you will put your 5 finger on your right hand on E. We will play E, D sharp, E, D sharp, B. With your finger numbers, that's 5, 4, 5, 4, 2. And it does it twice. 5, 4, 5, 4, 2. I'm going to do that again. One more time. E, D sharp, E, D sharp, B. E, D sharp, E, D sharp, B. Now you try. Wonderful. Now for the left hand. You'll put your 4 finger on the F sharp, 2 finger on the A, and 1 finger on the B. We will play this chord 8 times. I'm going to do that one more time. Now you try. Great. Now with both hands together, your right hand up on E, left hand 4 finger on that black key sharp. It's your F sharp. I'm going to play them together. Now you try. Great job. Moving on to measure 13, your right hand 5 finger will go back on B. To repeat this pattern, where we have B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, B. We switch up B, E. With your finger numbers, that will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move to E. I'm going to play that one again. Now you try. Great job. Now for the left hand. Your pinky goes on E. That 5-finger plays E. 3-finger plays G. 1 finger will play B. We will play it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time. That looks like this with your 5 on E, your 3 on G, and your 1 finger on B. Now you try. Great job. Now, with both hands together, your 5-finger on B, we have our left hand 5 on E. Together, it sounds like this. Now you try. Very nice. Now your right hand will go up and you'll put your 4-finger on the C sharp and it will go like this. C sharp, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, D, and then down to the low D. And that's your 4-finger, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Stretch with the thumb to your 1 finger. I'm going to play that again. Now you try. Great job. Now for the left hand part, we will have our 5-finger on E, 3-finger on G, and 2-finger on A. We will play it 4 times, and then we'll move up to put the 5-finger on F sharp, 2-finger on C, and thumb on D. We'll do 4 of each of those, so I'm going to play that for you. Here's with your 5-finger on E, 3-finger on G, and 2 on A. Then moving up. I'm going to do that again. Now you try. Very nice. I'm going to play it with both hands together now. My right hand puts its 4 on the C sharp right here. Left hand has the 5 on E. One more time, it sounds like this. You try. Great job. This last part of the song is exactly the same as the beginning, so you've already played it. I'm going to go ahead and do it for you, just in a slower demo so you can hear that. Pause this lesson and practice a few times, and then I will show you what it sounds like all together.